Good morning and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, August 15th. We're going to be seeing some partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies out there today with no chance of rain, and then we're also going to be seeing those temperatures rise starting today and through Friday. Taking a look at our conditions across the region from yesterday, we did see widespread temperatures in the mid-80s for pretty much all locations across the mid-Atlantic yesterday. This morning we did see some more mild lows with temperatures near 70 degrees. Our cool spots were down to 68 in Salisbury and up near Baltimore. Did see some scattered shower activity yesterday. Salisbury did receive the most with just above a quarter of an inch of rain. That line of showers that moved across the central Delmarva from north to south did fizzle out just north of the Wallops region, so unfortunately we did not get any rain from that. But we did see some spots with rain off to the north due to that last bit of energy that was rotating across the area that we talked about yesterday morning. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures hovering around 80 degrees for most spots under sunny to mostly sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing that upper level ridge build across just west of the area, so that has given our upper level wind just a little bit more northwesterly versus the zonal flow we have been seeing. So we are seeing winds from the west at the surface and then northwesterly across the remainder of the column. Fairly light, only running around 15 to 20 knots from 1,000 to 12,000 feet, and then maxing out near 25 knots between 16 and 25,000 feet, with a freezing level this morning between 12 and 13,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see that high pressure building off to the west there across West Virginia, and some associated upper level ridging is also building across the region as well, which will give us some subsidence across the area today through the early part of Friday, and that will help suppress any rain chances. It'll also give us some mostly sunny skies other than some cirrus clouds that are going to be moving across the area later today and throughout tomorrow. And we're also going to be seeing that southwesterly wind ramp up as we go through the remainder of the work week here, and that's going to give us some a slow increase in humidity as well as some very hot temperatures across the region. Taking a look at our forecast charts, you can see that high pressure will be the dominant factor as we go through these charts today and continuing tonight, with not much change being seen in the overall pattern across the mid-Atlantic region, with high pressure dominating the area, giving us that removing any rain chances across the region as well as helping to give us sunny skies and some hot conditions. And then on Thursday we're going to see that high pressure start to move offshore a bit. That's going to help to really ramp up that southwesterly flow for tomorrow, and that's going to ramp up those temperatures as well as humidity as well, including those heat indexes. So it is going to be a warm and humid day tomorrow, and then that will continue through Friday. With Friday does look to be the warmest day of the week as we have that front approaching the north, which will offer some compressional heating, helping to ramp up the temperatures a couple more degrees. We're also going to be seeing some more humidity in the area, so we can expect a very hot and humid day on Friday with chances of rain coming on Friday night. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing a high today around 89 degrees under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. We'll see those winds increase just a bit as we go into the late morning hours, maxing out at 8 to 13 knots this afternoon from the west or west-southwest, and then they'll be decreasing near sunset to 4 to 9 knots, becoming southwesterly at 3 to 8 knots overnight and into mid-morning Thursday. We are going to be seeing a mild low tomorrow morning due to that westerly flow of 75 degrees. Only weather hazard today, going to be seeing a slight chance of those heat indexes briefly touching 100 degrees, but otherwise should remain below that for this afternoon. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be just seeing a few clouds near 3,000 foot level here along the coast late this morning through the afternoon, as well as some cirrus moving into the area. We will see those lower level clouds scour out just before sunset with that thin cirrus deck slowly increasing. Still, it's just going to be a very thin cirrus, so just going to be seeing broken cirrus deck at 25,000 feet at times overnight, with a few clouds near 4,000 feet popping up by mid-morning tomorrow. For tomorrow, we're going to be looking at another partly cloudy day, similar to the cloud cover today. It's going to be a hot one out there with a high of 92. See a little bit more humidity, but not too much compared to today. Thursday night was when we're going to start to see that humidity increase, giving us a very muggy low of 77. And then Friday, we're going to see a good increase in our temperature, which is going to be a very hot and humid day on Friday, the high of 94. And we're also going to be seeing that slight chance of a shower before sunset as we have a front approaching from the northwest, but looking like very unlikely, with rain chances really not becoming a factor until the overnight period between Friday and Saturday. So taking a look at our extended outlook here, Friday does look to be the warmest day of 94, and then we're going to start to see that front approach the region Friday night to Saturday, with some chances of thunderstorms happening overnight between the Friday and Saturday time frame. And as we go through Saturday into the beginning of next week, the forecast is a little bit uncertain, as it is going to depend on what that front does that's going to cross the area Friday through Saturday. It's a little bit of a model disagreement whether that front's going to continue south and keep us in the clear north of it, or if it's going to stall somewhere along the southern or central portions of the Delmarva, continuing our chances for daily showers and thunderstorms. Right now, it does look like it is going to stall out a little bit, at least for Saturday and Sunday. A little bit unsure which day is going to be the better chance for rain, but both days do look like they're going to have chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms here across the central and especially the southern Delmarva. And then Monday and Tuesday, still a bit of a question on how far south that front's going to be kicked. It depends on how strong we're going to get high pressure building across the northeastern United States. Looks like it is going to be a little bit cooler, with temperatures in the low to mid 80s starting Sunday through Tuesday. Still looks like there's going to be a chance for at least some isolated pop-up shower activity Monday and Tuesday. But we're still going to have to keep monitoring that. We could be seeing some higher rain chances or rain chances completely gone, depending on how far south that front makes it. So that'll be something to stay tuned for. We'll be looking into more later this week. Have a great day, and we'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m.